So this is the same. You mentioned Verizon. I imagine it's the same thing. They're in a constant battle against AT&T, constant battle against T-Mobile. They obviously have to be faster. They have to be leaner, and they can't do it without you. Correct? I mean, they can't.
Well, what Verizon is doing is very interesting. Is they're very, very focused on edge computing. With the advent of 5G and networking speeds 100 times faster than what we're used to today, you can do some very interesting things around robotics, around drones, around connected cars, around IoT sensors, and so on and so forth. So Verizon's working with us to really push the boundaries of these new next-gen applications and using MongoDB as the back end. And we're really excited about the work we're doing with Verizon.
Coinbase, same thing, because there's a very disruptive so-called bank in crypto. But that moves incredibly fast. Again, that's on you.
Correct. Cryptocurrency is so hot today, Jim, and you know that better than anyone. And so their business is booming, but they also need to develop new services and capabilities quickly. They need to deal with peaks in trading. Trading can spike in one day by orders of magnitude, and they need to have a very scalable platform as their business grows. So all roads for them led to MongoDB, and we're very proud to be a partner of Coinbase.
All right, one last question. If you're a CEO of a retailer right now and you're watching the show, and you don't have MongoDB, do you call up someone and say, like, what are we doing? These other outfits have it? It does seem like there's some outfits that are clueless about this.
Well, Jim, we have 31,000 customers around the world, so there's a lot of social proof. So we do typically get customers calling us when they see their peers or their competitors starting to use us. And so that's really helping us grow even faster. And what I would tell you is that IDC says that 500 million new apps will be built by 2023 in the past 5 years. That's more apps than the last 40 years. So the amount of application development that's happening is enormous. People are trying to seize new opportunities as well as respond to new threats. And so that's giving us an opening, and they're using MongoDB to do that.
And that's how you did 10 times the number of customers you did when you came public?
That's correct. That's correct. We've grown our customer count over tenfold. And what we're really seeing is a big transformation of, in the enterprise. Enterprises are increasingly becoming more and more comfortable running mission-critical workloads in the cloud, but they're also being very thoughtful. They're looking to use best-of-breed solutions, and they're looking to use technologies like MongoDB versus just the vanilla offerings from the cloud provider, and that's also helping our growth. Because as you know, there was a big cloud outage last week,
Sure.
And with MongoDB, we run across multiple clouds. So you don't have to rewrite one line of code to move your workload from, say, one cloud provider to another. And that gives customers a lot of peace of mind.
Wow. I've learned so much just in this 10 minutes. I mean, your company's something.
Don't miss a second of Mad Money. Follow @JimCramer on Twitter. Have a question? Tweet Cramer. #MadTweets. Send Jim an email to madmoney@cnbc.com or give us a call at 1-800-743-CNBC. Miss something? Head to madmoney.cnbc.com.